Hi guys, first day done here in Jerez. It was a good first day. We tried many things and I felt good on the bike. But we definitely have many things that we have to improve tomorrow. But we have another day tomorrow, so we try to improve where we have to improve and try to get ready for the race in Thailand. See you soon.
So today we had the first day of 2026, the first real day. It's been a long day. We make a lot of laps. We tried a lot of things. Every run we were trying different things. Finally, I'm happy with the feeling. The team has been working very well. We are adapting well to each other, trying to understand the bike. So I'm very excited to go on track tomorrow.